everyone, I'm Saitis and welcome back to my channel Saitic. In today's video I'll try to do the gaming review and test on this MI11X device by playing the Dead by Daylight mobile, as you can see friends. So this is a game which I'm going to test right now in this phone, so which has a Snapdragon 870 chipset. So let me try to show you the game size, how much it is. The game size is of 3.39 GB, as you can see friends, overall. So let's see what will be the maximum FPS we can play the Dead by Daylight game, and what will be the temperature readings as well during this time of testing, how much the phone can actually reach. So in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends SciTech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the MI11X playlist as well. You can find all the videos in one single playlist together. So let's get started friends with this kind of gaming review on this Dead by Daylight in this phone. So let me try to quickly open this application. And this is a real-time FPS meter which I'm trying to use right now, so which will be able to show you the real-time temperatures as well. So right now the temperature is of 37 degrees, as you can see, 37.3 degrees. So let's see friends, after some time of playing this game, how much the temperature can actually increase in this phone. And 35.2, so this kind of accurate. And it is a top FPS meter as well, and even you can concentrate on this FPS meter, how much we are getting right now at the moment. So let me try to download the file first. As you can see friends, right now the game is still downloading all the files. I think the file size might reach up to 5 GB of size as well after downloading all the necessary files, additional files required for this game to run. So I'll be waiting for this game to completely download, and later I'll be trying to show you what is the estimated size of this game as well, so we'll get to know all the details. So finally friends, the game has been successfully downloaded and everything is set ready. So let me try to quickly show you the what is the game size right now after everything is finished. So right now it's just verifying, so let me try to go back and show you the game size, how much it can be there. So as I said, it increased to 5 GB of size, as you can clearly see friends. 5 GB of size, the game size, it increased from 3.39 GB to 5 GB. So overall the game did require close to 5 GB of data storage before installing the game. So it is a real-time FPS meter where you can track the real-time statistics of the gameplay as well. So that is the main use of this kind of game turbo features in this phone, in the MI11X device. So let me try to start the game. And here the sound effects, I'll try to increase the volume so you know actually how does it feel, the sound as well.
Searching for a way to escape this endless horror has been my soul.
The real-time FPS I'm getting about 33 FPS, as you can see here friends. So 30 FPS I'm getting in this phone. And the CPU and the GPU utilization is not much as well at the moment, it's only a little bit. So let me try to go to the settings as well directly, what are the graphics settings it's available at the moment in this kind of game. So that is what I'm trying to look at the moment. So is the options which are available, as you can see friends. So where you can control few settings here, and there's a graphic settings as well. So right now the 30 FPS is enabled. So let me try to select to the maximum 60 FPS, and quality is set to the high as well, not auto, as you can see friends. So 60 FPS selected, and let me try to start the game and show you the real-time FPS meter right now, how much I'm getting. So now I'm getting about 60 FPS, as you can clearly see friends. 60 FPS of gameplay is possible right now in this MI11X device with a Snapdragon 870 chipset. And even the sound effects are really good in this phone. So it's a very good experience playing this kind of game in this mobile friends, so without any kind of issues. So that's one good thing here. This game is taking a little bit kind of longer time than usual other games. So when it comes to the starting the match, so every time you need to wait this many seconds of time, so just for the starting the match as well in this phone. So that's the one kind of thing you need to note down. So still it's loading, friends. As you can see on the real-time FPS meter, you can see, and the CPU and the GPU utilization, you can concentrate on that part as well, how much they are trying to utilize at the moment. 61 FPS. The game has been started, friends, and you can see the real-time FPS meter. I'm getting about 61 FPS at the moment. You can see 61 FPS, and the CPU and the GPU utilization, you can see 25%, 23%. As you can see, friends, the gameplay looks really kind of scary, and the sound effects are the one which is very good, friend. The sound effects, which are unbelievable, the sound effects. Little bit lag, I can notice little bit kind of lag, but not much. And the real-time FPS, I'm getting about 60 FPS consistently. It's maintaining without any kind of issues. 61 FPS, as you can see, friends, it's trying to maintain 60 FPS, no problem at all. So as you can see, friends, right now you can see the devil over there. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more this kind of gameplay. I'll try to do the comparison with other smartphones as well playing this kind of game. So which phone will be opening faster in those kind of testings I'll try to do. And thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.